Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this bridal wristlet. This is yet another wristlet, but it has kind of a hidden meaning, and I'm going to add this to the Natalie series. This wristlet has exactly 8 Swarovski crystals, and as I was making it, I was thinking this is such a unique and cute way for a bride to incorporate a very special number that has significant meaning to her and her fiance within her wedding. So if you did want to make a DIY bridal bag for yourself and you had a number that was meaningful to you, you could add exactly that number of crystals. You could change the beading color to have it be your wedding theme, and this could have a lot of sentimental value. So it kind of has a hidden meaning and I love it. If you like how this looks and you want to add it to your wardrobe, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I used E6000 glue and a white coach wristlet. For the beading, I used white halfback beads and Swarovski crystals in crystal clear, and I will list the exact sizes in the description box. My first step is to establish the border. The border is complete, as you can see, and I used 3 beads to go around the top. My next step is to add the crystals, and I'm going to add the crystals first and then bead around them. So I'll quickly add the crystals and show you what that looks like. This is the wristlet now that the crystals have been added. I added 8, lucky number 8, and they're in different sizes. This is the 16SS and the 12SS. My next step is to start the beading, and I will show you the progress as I go through. This is the progress so far. I'm about halfway done. I'm going to keep going and show you the final result. This is the final result. It is so pretty and very subtle. So if you're looking for something with just a really light bling, I highly suggest it, and you can always add the Swarovski crystals or the number of Swarovski crystals in a number that's meaningful to you, and it can be a real keepsake bag that has sentimental value. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, and I will see you next time.